Koromjari Mayam, my name is Jason and welcome back again to my YouTube channel, Jerodix TV. And before anything else guys, I would like to thank to all my my friends there in Manifor State, the one who who will teach me how to speak some basic language of Manifor or dialect. Alright, and guys, this is my dream to learn some basic dialect from Manifor. So I hope guys that you will continue to teach me some basic language from Manifor. Alright, so guys, this is the moment that you are waiting for. Our next reaction video for today is requested by our friends, our viewers from Manifor, King Rice. He wants me to react this, what do we call this? The most happiness moment in India this year, because this next reaction video that I'm going to react, guys, it's all about Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. Am I right? Yes, Mirabai Chanu. So if you're asking me who is this person, wow, I will read this for you guys. Mirabai Chanu became India's first medal winner at the Tokyo Olympics 2020 this Saturday only, guys. And she winning the silver medal in the women's 49 kilogram category. Oh my goodness. So congratulations to you, Saikhom Mirabai Chanu, for this winning of your life. So the title of this video that we were going to react, guys, is Mirabai Song or Mahei Yaalle or Yaalle. Is that the correct pronunciation on that words, guys? So just comment down below. A tribute to Mirabai Chanu on winning silver medal in Tokyo 2020. Oh, so before that, guys, we were going to read first the description of this video. This song celebrates the silver medal winning moment of Saikhom Mirabai Chanu at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. The prayers of her parents and well-wishers, the struggle, hard works, and her determination are well remembered. We, the manipuris, are proud of her feat. We wish her many more medals in the future too. Oh, that was the good message for this winning moment of Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. So guys, please join me until the end of this video so that we can witness the hard work, the determination of this our sister from Manifor. Before that, for those new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe first to my channel, and please don't forget to hit that bell icon for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So without further ado, let's get now and watch this video. AJ Maisnam, youtube.com. So this is the description of this video, guys. I will put that one in the description box, guys. Oh, this is the silver medal. Nongpo Haking, the village of this, our sister. She is so young here. Look at the village of our sister there. Just like my province also. This is the gym. So she always, practicing to weightlifting. Oh, this is the picture when times that she won the silver medal. Oh, they're watching our sister. In 2016, she won 3 bronze medals. Wow! What a nice voice of AJ Maisnam. Look at that medal of this, our sister. Wow. I'm so proud of you, Sister Mirabai. What is flag? Look at it. Maybe this is her coach. Parade. Saikhom Chanu Mirabai. Saikhom Chanu Mirabai. Wow. Great singer AJ Maisnam. Thank you so much to you, Mr. AJ Maisnam, for this tribute song to our sister from Manifor, Ma'am Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. Congratulations again for this moment that you are winning on your life. Wow, this is not only your moment, or this is not only your winning moment, but the winning moment of all people in India. Wow, that was so great performance that you given to your country. Congratulations, Ma'am Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. So before we end this kind of reaction of video, I just want to say this to all of you guys, especially those athletes out there. Difficulties of life is not the barriers to get this kind of achievement, to get this kind of honor or medal, like our sister from Manipur, India. Guys, but this is the most important moment, the most important to remember, to join like this big sports event, guys. We always remember that all difficulties that we are encountered to our life. This is the key of success to our winning, guys. Hard working, determination, you know, trusting to God. That's all. The most important things to achieve this kind of success to our life. So that's all, guys. That's all my advice to all of you. I hope you enjoy and you like it, guys. And I'm so proud of you, Ma'am Mirabai. This is not only your winning moment, but this is the winning moment of all people in your country. Congratulations again. All right, and thank you so much. So, guys, I hope you enjoy and you like my reaction of video for today, especially those my fellow friends there in Manipur State. All right. So for those new to my channel, guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit my bell for more latest update on my reaction of video here in my channel. So remember, guys, if you like this video, please don't forget to like and share this to your families and friends and give this a lot of thumbs up, guys, for as support to our to our sister from Manipur State, Ma'am Saikhom Mirabai Chanu. So thank you so much. Thank you so much also to my viewers that requesting this video. Sir, was this King Rice? Thank you so much. And to the singer, Mr. AJ Maisnam, the owner of this video. Thank you so much, sir. And Tagachari. Thank you so much, guys. See you on next round. See you on my next reaction of video. I love you guys. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Bye!